I ain't never felt bad about nobody robbing no Brinks truck. Fuck is you talking about? Them niggas ain't hurt nobody. As far as I'm concerned, they taken from the rich and given to the poor, which is themselves. So in my eyes, these niggas are heroes. If you ain't have a problem with Robin Hood, then you shouldn't have a problem with these niggas robbing Brinks. Can you imagine how good it felt to hold that much money without using any firepower? Damn, these niggas are smart. They finally realize black on black crimes don't pay. You gotta rob the rich white corporations. Even white people been saying this for years. Black on black crimes isn't profitable. Get the white folks. They got all types of insurance in their money. I just hope they didn't blow the money at a script club on some big booty scrippers. What do you guys think they should use their newfound cash flow for? Should they get a college education or maybe use it for a startup business plan? You know what? Never mind. Them niggas probably just robbed the truck to get some money to pay their outstanding child support. Damn.